You're watching Telecom TV from the ETSI 5G Network Infrastructure Summit. I'm joined now by Gilles Garcia, who is Communications Business Lead at Xilinx. Gilles, thanks for joining us on Telecom TV. What challenges will the move to 5G bring about?
So we are seeing some very specific challenges that are creating opportunities for the component suppliers. This morning during the presentation, several of those challenges were addressed, like standard evolution. 3GPP timeline is showing that between now and 2020, still some changes are expected. Verizon is moving with pre-5G commercial starting this year. SK has their Olympics in 2018. Tokyo has their Olympics in 2020. So we are seeing those challenges of standard evolution, creating opportunity for component suppliers with flexibility to adapt to those changes through the time. Another thing is power and real estate. The performance that the new 5G is putting pressure on for the multiply by up to 1,000 times or 100 times compared to the 4G, this is creating pressure on the component suppliers to be able to address those performances within the power envelope. As well as what is the ripple effect that the 5G will create on the networks and will require upgrades into the networks from the backhaul, frontal or core networks that will require new chips or new components upgrade as well into the networks. So this is a full chain that we are seeing from standard evolution to performance power requirements, size real estate of the systems, up to the full networks implementation as well.
How will this impact the development of chips and chip technology, and will you have to change your business models as a result?
The business model that we have as Xilinx, we are an all programmable device company. So that means that our chips can be reprogrammed depending on what the customer's applications are. And so we are working very closely with the suppliers of the 5G in order to work with them so they can implement using our latest technology with highest integration. We have integrated DAC, ADC that are critical for the radio, massive MIMO antenna, for example, from a power and real estate integration. So that's changing the business model because we have to react more quickly in the sense that the 3GPP or the 5G timeline are very short. And you need to have the technology now that will support the 5G deployment for the next 5 to 7 years.
In the move towards 5G, and we're already seeing this with NFV, how will the disaggregation of hardware from software affect your business? Does it bring you more opportunities or fewer?
So that's creating more opportunities. Let's just take an example. The disaggregation of the data center that somebody from the Nokia Bell Labs addressed this morning. How to try to have a kind of machine learnings apply to 5G to be able to react to what the end users' applications or behaviors are. So this is, in fact, making a kind of the mobile edge computing, requesting new acceleration to be able to learn the behaviors of the users or the applications and being able to act immediately in line at the speed of the light, whatever it is, the 10 gig, 50 gig, 100 gig speed of the light, in order to be able to react and to adapt to what the users are looking for. So that's creating opportunity in the world of acceleration. That's creating opportunity in the world of backhaul, frontal, because the requirement of the speed of those networks will have to be increased with the 10 gig now per end user. Imagine the pressure that this is putting on the backhaul frontal. So that's creating opportunity. On the other side, we are also seeing NFV as creating white box opportunities, but reducing some other opportunities in the standard chassis systems. So at the end, this disaggregation is for us a positive sign because that's creating transition. And every transition is an opportunity for component supplier to address better and work more closely with the system vendors.
Gilles, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.